Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto lemon bars. Okay, let's get started with these keto lemon bars. I have a 9x9 baking dish that I sprayed very well with cooking spray, and I've got 2 cups of almond flour, and this is going to be the crust. We need to make the crust first. So I'm going to combine the almond flour with 6 tablespoons of melted butter and 3 tablespoons of powdered sweetener. I'm gonna mix this really well to form our crust. Because the Lakanto powdered sweetener is kind of clumpy, I'm gonna use a hand mixer to get this crust, the ingredients incorporated really well. Now I'm going to dump the crust ingredients, or the crust mixture, into my pan. I'm going to spread it in an even layer. And I'm going to use a flat-bottomed measuring cup to press the mixture into the pan. Easy peasy. And now the crust needs to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, we've got our crust out of the oven and it looks perfect. It is nice and golden brown. And now we're going to make the filling. So I've got 4 large eggs, and I'm going to add a half a cup of powdered sweetener, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. And if you don't know what xanthan gum is, it's common in foods you can find at the grocery store. It's common in ice cream. It just makes this thicker, and it will help it come together and emulsify. It's just an emulsifying agent. And now we're going to add a half a cup of lemon juice and just like a pinch of salt. And because we want this mixture to be really smooth, I'm going to use an immersion blender to get it really smooth. The Lakanto sweetener tends to clump really easily, so I'm going to use this. Okay, now I'm going to pour the filling mixture on our crust. And now this is going to go back in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, our lemon bars are out of the oven. They look amazing. It did crack a little bit, but you know, oh well. So I already got them cut into 9 squares. So let's pull one out. This is such an easy recipe and they just work. It's just a good recipe, perfect for the holidays or any kind of like picnic or something like that you've got going on. Let's try a bite. Oh man, that crust is just perfect. The filling is perfect. So good. Perfect lemon flavor. That's good. So be sure you check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. You're gonna love it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.